Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a Johnny Lightning Classic Customs Corvette. Today we have the 1967 Corvette 427. There's a shot of it before we open it. Goodyear tires. Limited edition on base, it says. And Playing Mantis makes Johnny Lightning. See the back. Just an ad to join their club. And this is from, what's the year is this? Anybody see a year there? Shout it out. Alright, it says one of 12,500 made. And I'm really digging this Corvette 427. It's one of my favorites. Let's get it open. That coin right in there for now. Oh, that's a beautiful ride. Rubber tires. In the Hot Wheels world, we call them real riders. 1967 Corvette 427 by Playing Mantis. Oh, there it is. Hood opens up. All metal, die cast. That's the good thing about Johnny Lightning. And then the rubber tires are a bonus. So nice look at it. Now let's see if it goes on the track. Ooh, it runs smooth. Even though it has rubber tires, it might be worth racing. Let's get a look at that coin. Johnny Lightning limited edition 1967 Corvette 427. There's the other side. It's your gold coin that comes with it. Plastic though. So there you have it. The Johnny Lightning. Thanks so much for watching this unboxing, and please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.